My name's George Upton and I studied A-level PE, biology and history. It's a nice chilled out environment, treated like an adult, whereas at school it was treated like a child and didn't really like it. So it was a nice change of scenery. So I went to the open evening at Parker, because obviously that's where I went to school. And I just didn't like it at all, because it was like I was at school. As soon as I came to the open evening here, I met Justin, Ross and the sports tutors, and instantly I was like, wow, it's really chilled out, and everyone was so easy to talk to, and it was so easy to have a conversation with all the tutors, which was really nice. Tutors are brilliant. So Ross and Justin, who taught me, Ross taught me biology and Justin taught me history. Absolutely fantastic. Like, they're so helpful, easy to talk to about anything. It hasn't got to obviously be course related if you're sort of dealing with stuff. And yeah, they're really good teachers, and then all the sports staff are so easy to get on with, and they're all really good as well, and they all help me massively. Facilities are really good, the gym's good, equipment's up to date, which is good. Loads of equipment that we have, we go up Horntie a lot as well, so there's good equipment up there, and we've got all the fitness testing kit as well, which is good. I want to go to uni to study sports and exercise science, and then possibly go on to look to do a master's in strength and conditioning as well, because I want to go into coaching with elite athletes. So I'm going. I've got a conditional offer at Cardiff Met, so just got to pass my level 4 P2, and then I'm in.